Right, so I'm at the Carragooms National Park now. I finished NC 500 today. There's only a bit left of it anyway. It's probably about an hour and a half drive of it. But, I saw a few things. I've got plenty of videos of me going to all the places. So I'm just here at this national park, checking it out. Probably stay here a day, maybe tomorrow. And then probably leave in the afternoon or something, I'll see. But it's not very busy, there's not much people here really, it's quite empty. I'm surprised. But I'm just getting some dinner. I've got so I've just got some chicken, seasoned chicken with egg fried rice. And then I'm just going to put some cheese on it and some salsa. It makes a really good, meal. Super simple to make as well. So with this, I just sort of added a bit of water to it so it doesn't burn, and I just warmed it up basically. And I just put it on these, and then you just fold them up. Perfection. So was it 8:20? Early this morning. So I'm gonna walk around the area where I am. River. Careful, guys. It's orange. So this is the Carragooms National Park, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm only here for a day or so. So a quick look around, Quite a nice river, actually. This goes all the way to a lock, I think. But I'll probably drive round to it. I'll see how far it goes. I don't think it goes much further, this. It's a bit chilly though, it's only probably 15 degrees or less. Not a bad place to put a tent, I suppose, maybe. You've got plenty of people camping around. Ooh. Rotten. Who's done that? I bet there's beavers that have done that or something. God damn. Oh yeah, I bet people camp here, look, fire pit. It's not a bad place though. Next to river. Quite relaxing to hear that at night. Someone tried to make something. Kind of last fire or something. That's about as far as the track goes, I think. It's just for like a camping spot, I think. This bit. Not bad. just down this nearby lock now. 40-minute drive, not far. I'm not staying here long though because you got to pay for parking. So there's not much here anyway. It's just I don't know if there's any hikes or anything, but. Right, so I'm at this beach now. It's on the other side. Check it out. It's quite big actually. It's probably man-made though, this beach. Having a quick look at some of the bits free. It's one of them. It's still freezing though. It's quite big, isn't it? It's been a drive to get here though. Crazy. I'm just doing a quick walk on the wall. I think there's a few things down here to look at. Can't be long because I'm not paid for parking. It's £4. I'm only literally coming here for 10 minutes. It's too expensive. This looks like the place. That's what's left. I just thought I'd come here to look at this because it's worth it. It's quite big yard still. So that's all that's left. Get this way, but we can. The other but you have to pay to get in, so I'm not going to bother. It's a Sunday, it's probably closed anyway. One more thing to look at on the way, and then I think I'll be leaving this place. Head to Northumberland Coast, I think. Find somewhere there to sleep. It's pretty crazy though that they built a wall across the entire coast to coast. It shows you how powerful the empire was, the Roman Empire. It's crazy. Just to keep the people away. Place here.